Empress, what's your payment? $2? $2.
All right, folks, again, we're at the St. William Grant Park because today we launched a cross-country invasion. This is the 16th staging, and you would have heard the interview with Simon, our general manager, to explain what happens in cross-country. So, well, no, what is the game?
I am in a parish.
I am in a parish.
Yes.
So, hold on.
Do you remember the game, I am in a well?
No. First, may I hear about that?
Tell us the rules, Delia.
Tell us the rules.
So, I am in a parish. Everybody says Cornwall, Middlesex, or Surrey.
Yes.
You tell us which one.
Suppose we don't know.
So, yeah, so don't know that.
A parish.
Make somebody help you know.
Okay.
Cornwall is a parish.
Run, go, yes, I go ask one of them for help.
Cornwall is a parish.
I will be the back and
Middlesex
county.
County.
Yeah, so you have about.
No, I said I'm in a parish. We say Cornwall, Middlesex, or Surrey.
Yes.
Yeah, and then you say
Yeah,
Cornwall,
all right.
which
Hold
is
on
where the parish is.
All right.
Make Delia start then so she can show
I
us.
know. So I am in a parish.
Cornwall, Middlesex, or Surrey.
Cornwall.
Who would you like to take you out?
Samaruni.
All right.
If me no say you in a parish, me I left you right.
With what? With what? You wanted to take her out with what?
Our big
no,
time.
you ask her the question about the
I
parish.
mean, if you ask her with what?
They not upon the paper. No. I am in a parish.
Yes.
Cornwall, Middlesex, or Surrey?
Yes.
Cornwall.
Yes.
Who do you want to take you out?
Simone.
With what? Ask her the thing about the parish that's on the paper.
So name of parishes in Cornwall. Where Cornwall?
No, what's the question on the paper?
What did it say?
Come here,
What
Harris.
did it say?
She's crime.
What did it say?
Yes.
They know what me say. Give me thing.
This wrong.
Names of parishes in Cornwall. So you must name.
All right, let me tell you this. I am in a parish. Cornwall, Middlesex.
Not more than I don't know which parish in
Sorry.
Cornwall.
Who do you want to take you out?
Who do you want to take you out?
Dwayne.
With what?
Why not me?
The beach with the best fish and festival. The beach with the best fish and festival. Lord have mercy. Up here, don't me at work.
The beach with the best fish
and
and
festival.
Elsha.
What parish?
Take a chin.
Okay, see there.
Hold on. This said with what? Names of parishes in Cornwall. And because you don't know the parish them in Cornwall, you don't want to say. Hold on. Well, I don't know if it's Hanover, Westmoreland, Trelawney.
Choose another one.
Do not touch my thing.
Moving on to the next question.
All right.
Go on, do it.
I'm here at the end now.
Wait. I am in a parish.
Cornwall, Middlesex, or Surrey?
Middlesex.
Who do you want to take you out?
Never.
Okay, with what?
With what?
Name of 3 heritage sites in St. Catherine.
Name 3 heritage sites in St. Catherine.
Yes.
One is the place in Spanish Town.
Don't look at me. You can't phone a
Wait,
friend
yeah,
in this game.
Ask them.
No, there's a cathedral there, don't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Is it a heritage site?
There is a
cathedral. You know the palace.
no cathedral on the planet.
No.
Only give me 3 heritage sites in St. Catherine. Anybody know where St. Catherine is, by the way?
Anybody know the answer?
There's a place down there, man. They said that was when it's like a facade. Anyway, give me the answer.
Yes. What is it called?
Yeah,
that entire area. What is it called?
Make a clue. The place where people fear for drive on. That's how.
Flat Bridge.
That's
Next one.
What you see a while ago is right.
Yeah.
It's a square, but what them call
The
it?
next one, 2 girls live there.
A what?
2 girls come from there.
San Diego?
No.
2 girls? What kind of clue is that?
2 girls come
2
from
girls. The name of a
Twin
2.
Sister Cave.
Oh, very good, very good.
All right,
Emancipation Square is what you're
Emancipation Square. So I have the thing, but my memory.
Empress.
Is your mic working?
Empress.
Empress.
I am observing. I'm going to
I'm
join
in a
Sakina
parish.
with the people.
I'm in a parish.
Cornwall,
Middlesex or Surrey.
Sorry.
Who do you want to take you out?
Sim again.
With what, sir?
Names of 2 public parks in Kingston and St. Andrew.
Oh, easy peasy. This are one.
What it name?
Emancipation Park are
No,
two.
this don't name.
Mandela Park are three.
What is this one name?
St. William Grand Park, sir.
Yeah, that's if you say.
All
So it
right.
go?
So, yes,
That one,
sir.
yeah.
We got the hang of it now.
You
Give me
may
later
work.
ask next
We
one.
got the hang of it now.
All right.
ask one next
What we
one.
must ask Delia?
I am in a
I'm into a parish.
Cornwall,
Well, Middlesex are sorry.
Bobby.
Mr. Taylor, what on there? I am into, move yourself now, lady. Cornwall.
Who you want to take you out?
Empress Eaters.
All right, Empress.
You want to go somewhere with Empress?
With
Lady.
what?
You're mad?
To Jamaica. You cannot use Google, miss. Name 2 Jamaican Olympians from Trelawney.
From Trelawney, I would say the Saint Leo, what his name again? Usain Bolt. The Great, who's about to have a baby. And the beautiful Veronica Campbell.
Oh, high five, girl. And she gone left me.
Where you gone? Come sit down now.
Good job, good job, good job, good job. Who is next?
Punching on us, fellow.
I am in a parish.
What's that in there?
Which county?
Cornwall,
is it?
Middlesex, I'm sorry.
This one, this one is Middlesex.
Who do you want to take you out?
take you out?
Better be me, you know.
Sakina.
Sakina.
Make Sakina.
Sakina.
Yes. With what?
She not pay attention, you
Name
know.
3 musicians or groups from Clarendon.
All right, I'm going to need some help. I'm going to need some
No,
help.
no, me can help you. Me can help you.
From Clarendon.
What is your
Phone a
name?
friend?
No?
Yvonne?
Yvonne, I'm going to need some help. Name 3 musicians from Clarendon. I don't even know where Clarendon is. Where Clarendon is?
Maypen.
Maypen. All right, you know a musician from Clarendon?
Freddie McGregor.
One, that's right.
What you say?
Freddie McGregor, that's
Freddie
right.
McGregor,
Yeah.
That's
right?
one.
Yes.
Cocotte. That's right.
Cocotte.
What you say?
One more.
Cocotte.
Yes.
Ioctane, that's right.
Ioctane?
In
No.
there, so.
Who tell me Ioctane? You're
Clarendon
old.
come
Somebody
from?
said
Let's see where Clarendon
Ioctane.
come from.
Somebody said
Ioctane.
Ioctane is
Ioctane
right.
from Clarendon. Okay.
I win.
No, no.
Ioctane.
No.
Well, you know,
So
the,
you couldn't give me the name. You could say Clarendonian.
the easiest one done.
I win.
Cocotte
She win.
come from Clarendon too.
Thank you so
Yes.
much for your help, my darling. We appreciate
Who them
you.
Derek?
I'm in a well.
You're in a what, miss?
A well.
Hold on, you ready again? Empress
Parish.
Sita. Empress Sita,
Parish.
your
I'm
turn.
in a parish.
Where your mic? Where your mic?
All right, my people, I'm in another pier. My
Don't make
people.
nobody see it.
Oh, I'm in a parish.
Simone, you're stealing. I saw you look.
Can
I
you hear
saw.
me?
She
Don't
can't
look,
see.
Simone. I'm in a parish. Everybody,
Cornwall, Middlesex,
Sex
or
or sorry?
sorry.
Who do you want to take you out?
Why isn't everybody asking the question? This paper say everybody must say, who would you like to take? Everybody say,
Okay.
Who
would you like to take you out?
One must play the game right,
No, man, you
man.
just go on like
I
your
would
mother.
like,
Sure.
okay, I want Delia to take me out of that one, yeah. With everybody say with what?
With
what?
what?
Yes, my mother.
Names of two.
Names up.
Names of
Everybody
two.
say with what? Ready?
With what?
Yeah, cause we have to participate. Me's a P girl. Parish people and participation. All right. So name and Portland. Yeah. Name 2 beaches in Portland, Delia.
2 beaches in Portland.
They're
Yes,
favorite
ma'am.
beach. They're the favorite beach.
Winfred Beach.
They're your
Yes.
favorite beach.
Boston Beach.
Yeah.
Up to Buff Bay.
Two them said there.
It's not a beach.
Buff Bay a
French,
beach. Buff Bay a beach.
Frenchman.
I only
Oh.
needed 2 A+ students.
All right.
Thank you very
All
much.
right.
Buff Bay a
Anybody
beach.
can give me one that daily and
It's a
never say I'll give you a
community.
prize.
Buff Bay on the beach.
Jeswan Beach is not in Portland.
Jeswan
Jeswan Beach
Beach
is
is
in
in
Ochi.
She
Rock
said Boston. She said Boston.
She said Boston
I
already.
said
Reach Falls. Reach Falls on
Which
the
one?
beach.
Richmond.
Reach.
I don't know where Richmond Beach is. Is it in Portland?
I said Boston Beach. And
That's a river,
Winfred
them
Beach.
There you have something named Reach Falls Beach.
Reach Falls.
No,
on the
Irish
beach.
Reach
That is a
Falls.
fall.
Reach Falls a fall.
That's a
And
fall.
why
Reach
is-
Falls a fall.
And YS.
Who?
White Sun. Somebody
Hold
say
on.
White Sun.
No, me
Let
say
me tell you
YS.
one.
White Sand Beach?
White Sun in their Portland.
That is.
Hold
Yeah,
on.
they're
San
Portland.
Souci there, Portland.
Sun Beach.
San
too.
Souci,
Puerto
St.
Rico,
Anne.
they're
No, that lady
which
said
part
San
of Jamaica
Souci,
the
so I'm
people you
asking
come
him.
from? All Puerto Rico, they must say they're Portland.
No, Sakina, there's a beach called Bikini Beach.
Sandy Shea.
Bikini Beach.
All
We're
right,
going
the
to
last
some
one, last
research.
one, last one,
That's
last
what-
one.
I have it, I have it, I have
Oh,
it.
Summer have, well, it's not the last.
I'm in a parish.
Which parish?
Cornwall,
Middlesex are sorry.
I'm in Middlesex.
Who
Who
would
you
you
want
like
to
to
take
take
you
you
out?
out?
No, wait. Empress have said she bad way up a while ago.
True.
Start over.
Yeah.
I am
Ready?
in a parish.
Cornwall, Middlesex, sorry.
I am in Middlesex.
Who
Who do you want to take you out?
I would like for
Yeah, man.
Neferil
Him read the paper.
Me don't read nothing. Sure.
Thief.
Him read
name
the paper.
Yeah.
of 2 rivers in St. Mary.
2 River in St. Mary. Me name no in St. Mary there. Oh, look at me now. No, me need help. Me need help.
Let's go. 2 rivers in St. Mary.
Castleton and
One is the
Wagwata.
St. Mary River.
Castleton.
Eh?
Castleton not in a St. Mary.
What?
It's in a St. Mary. Me think up in a St. Andrew Hill.
Border.
Reggae River. Reggae
That
River.
one.
Reggae River.
I don't see nothing here about
That's
it.
one.
Up here.
Castleton
Where
was
is in
accurate.
St. Anne?
Castleton was
Oh,
accurate.
God.
So we have one person.
Give up.
And which one?
Why
Tom's River.
Tom's River, sister.
What? What kind of river?
Tom's River and Castleton. That
I
right?
don't know what she
Me
sound
don't
like she
know.
right. She sound like she right, yeah.
What did paper say?
We soon come back. We'll figure
Yeah,
it
Tom's
out.
River.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you, my
Hear the
darling.
greatest thing. Not me
That's
tell
what I
Empress
like.
I answer them a while ago. I shall whisper
Tom's
Reggae
River.
River.
We
Not
have
the
Castleton.
Reggae River.
Tom's River.
We're going to go for that break.
Tom's River.